Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we are going to see the PhD degree admission from the Indian Institute of Technology, and the application process is going to start from 5th April 2021. That means already started. And here the selected candidates of fellowships are available. And the fellowship amounts are also mentioned here in the thumbnail, and I will show you the details in this video. And the selection process will be purely based upon the interview, guys, and there is no written test for this IIT to get the PhD admission. So whatever the departments that we are going to show here, if you are not belongs to these departments, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Okay. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. The present content of the video, it is IIT Dhanbad. So it is the official website of this one, and you may check down the PhD JRF admissions. So commencement of online application for PhD admission for the academic year 2021 to 22 for the programs in engineering, science, humanities and social sciences and management. And few important links are given here. So assistantship, admission to the PhD program, okay, 2021 to 22, and the online application and instructions for filling the PhD application form. Okay. So first we will see the information bulletin, guys. Okay. So here it is total 18 pages bulletin is there, but I will cover the important points, and the remaining points you may access through the links that I will kept in the description box of this video at the end of the description box. So coming to this one, the important dates are April 5th, and the last date for applying is May 5th. Intimation to shortlisted candidates for interview May 17th. Interview for shortlisted candidates June 28 to July 2nd, and declaration of merit list July 15th. Online registration of merit list candidates July 19th to 23, and declaration of extended merit list July 27, and online registration of extended merit list candidate July 28 to 31, and the physical admission and joining of admitted students August 12th. Fine. So these are the important dates, guys. And coming to the disciplines, applied geology, applied geophysics, chemical engineering, chemistry, computer science and engineering, civil engineering, electronics engineering and electrical engineering, humanities and social sciences, English literature, and environmental science and engineering, okay, and fuel, mineral and metallurgical engineering, management studies, in industrial engagement and management as well as the management. So mathematics and computing, mechanical engineering, mining machinery engineering and mining engineering, petroleum engineering, physics. And coming to the humanities and social sciences, philosophy, psychology and the statistics. So the institute may provide the full-time PhD students who have qualified GATE or any other eligible national level examination. Financial assistance in the form of teaching or research assistantships will be available. That means if you just qualified the GATE, or else if you cleared the UGS NET or CSIR NET with assistantship only, with assistant professor only without having the JRF, then also there is a chance to get the institute assistance by the teaching or research assistantship, guys. Okay. So here IIA will also be provided for IIT graduates having CGPA more than or equal to 8, and the PhD students will be awarded the assistantship for a period of 5 years based upon the performance every year, and it is applicable only for the full-time PhD students, guys. And IIA will not be provided for full-time PhD students having external fellowship. External fellowship means CSIR, JRF and UGC, JRF and DST. Okay, so if you're having the CSIR, UGC only assistant professor, then you will come under the IIA fellowship category. Okay, but if you're having the CSIR, JRF and UGC, JRF, you will directly get from these agencies only. So no need to get the stipend from the institute. Okay, so for part-time and sponsored, they don't get the fellowship, guys. And a contingency grant of 30,000 rupees per annum is also available. Okay, and for first 2 years 31,000, and for next 3 years 35,000, plus yearly contingency 30,000 is available. Okay, so these are the details, guys. Okay, and the program fee is also mentioned. So how much amount of fees for your OBC, SC, ST, PWD, and admission procedure. So interested candidates may submit their application through online from 5th April to 5th May 2021. And here the link is also there. I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. So if you want to apply, then just click on this one, guys. You will be directed to the online application form. And the application fee is 2000 rupees for the general OBC and EWS category and 1000 rupees for the SC, ST and PWD female candidates. And admission procedure and everything is given here. So please once go through this one, and steps of admission process. And the interview of the shortlisted candidates will be conducted between 28/6 to 2/7. And eligibility criteria for the admission. So eligibility criteria for the admission is for engineering. So master's degree with 60% or bachelor's degree with 70%, master's degree in science or allied area with 60%, and PhD in sciences, almost the same qualifications are mentioned here. So if you are not having the UGC NET and if you are not having any other qualifications if you are having only PG also, here the eligibility is there. So please try to apply, guys. And here the age limitations are also given here. Okay, so for male candidate 30 years, for male candidates other category 35 years, and for female category, female candidates 35 years. Okay, so these are things given here. So anyhow, please go through all these things in detail, guys. Okay, and anyhow, if you want to apply, then it is the official website. So it is the online application form link, guys. So I will provide the website link. Okay, so here you may check down the eligibility criteria and selection process. Okay, so each and everything you may check here. Okay, so you will get the clear clarity in each and every case, guys. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide